There's a familiar pressure that shows up when the list feels long. Problems waiting. Loose ends calling for attention. A sense that unless everything is handled, nothing really counts. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote offers relief from that all or nothing thinking and reminds us what progress actually looks like. You don't have to fix everything today to make progress. This quote reminds us that progress isn't built by solving everything at once. It's built by addressing what's possible, one piece at a time. When we believe everything must be fixed before we can move forward, we create paralysis instead of momentum. Trying to fix it all today spreads attention too thin. The mind becomes overwhelmed. Effort turns frantic. But when you allow yourself to focus on what's workable right now, clarity returns. One decision made with care can do more than 10 made in a rush. Progress is cumulative. It grows through small, thoughtful actions that respect your limits. You're not falling behind because some things remain unfinished. You're moving forward every time you engage honestly with what's in front of you. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Identify one thing you can tend to without strain. Let that be enough for now. Progress doesn't require completion. It requires movement. Carry that perspective with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to solve the whole picture to change your direction. Sometimes progress is simply choosing not to overwhelm yourself. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Progress grows through patience, and clarity builds one step at a time. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.